Hello everyone and welcome to the Jordan 33 Future of Flight. This is a pretty significant pair of sneakers. It's brand new. It's got a lot of Jordan tech in it. I just did a video of another colorway recently, but this right here is the original colorway. Not the first time I'm opening up one of these boxes. This pair of sneakers comes with an instruction manual, as you may have seen in my previous video of a different colorway. How to tighten and loosen the shoes. Hold to tighten. Hold to release. Jordan 33, designed and engineered to the exact specifications for flight. So we're going to move on to the sneakers because that's what we're here for. Here they are, all their glory. Pretty nice pair of shoes. I'm going to throw them on foot just so you can see how they look. Nice little glass plate at the back here. I learned in my previous video that I'm supposed to tighten these before I loosen them, so that's what I'm going to do. Or loosen them before I tighten them or something like that. That's the mechanism, skeleton face. You can see how it works. Some people have fancy watches like that where they can see the movement. I'm going to throw it on right here. We'll be right back. Finally got the Jordan 33s in the original colorway on foot. A lot of people really like this colorway because it's way better than the other one I have. It's pretty clean. Pretty nice fit. Self-tightening mechanisms. You pull here to tighten. You pull here to tighten. And you pull this yellow loosen patch to eject your foot. Let me know what you think of these in the comment section below. I like them a lot. Thanks for watching the video. As basketball shoes, I think these will be pretty good. I probably won't use them because I only use Kyrie 2s for basketball right now. Maybe I should test these out. But I'll have to test the other color because this one's too big for me. Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.